Now at 5, sounding the alarm.
My roommate and 2 of her friends are on the ground. There's a white substance on the counter.
A changing drug market now targeting teens in a new way.
It no longer just applies to that opioid user, and it now applies to middle America, kids in schools.
Medical leaders warning fentanyl is being laced in pills such as Adderall and Xanax.
If I take something because I just want a quick pick-me-up, there is a potential it could have fentanyl in it.
And off the top here at 5 o'clock, we have an in-depth look at the disturbing trend. It comes in the wake of 2 Ohio State University students dying of overdoses last week.
And one of them from right here in Northeast Ohio. Tonight, News 5's Clay Lepard with more on the warning about the concoction producing deadly results.
A remarkable young woman of promise and poise. The praise poured in for Ohio State neuroscience student and Broadview Heights native Tiffany Eiler, one of 2 who passed away from suspected accidental overdoses last Wednesday.
911, where's your emergency?
My roommate and 2 of her friends are on the ground.
Well, it's still not clear what happened. Shortly after the incident, Columbus Public Health and Ohio State University issued an alert raising awareness about fake Adderall pills that can be laced with fentanyl, causing an increase in hospitalizations. This all comes at a time when throughout Northeast Ohio, billboards like these keep popping up, urging parents to have conversations with their kids about the changing landscape of drugs and alcohol.
No one is exempt from this.
Fentanyl laced in drugs for anxiety, focus, or pain is not what Scott Osicki is used to seeing. He serves as CEO of the Adams Board of Cuyahoga County and says there's a recent rise in drugs made to tap into a market beyond those addicted to opiates.
The differences are nearly undetectable, even for law enforcement and some medical personnel as well. And we've seen fentanyl in Adderall, Percocet, Xanax, and other counterfeit prescriptions.
In Cuyahoga County, statistics from the Board of Health show a decline in drug deaths from heroin over the years, but a rise in fentanyl, which is up to 50 times stronger than heroin.
So they're doing it because it's basically cheap. They can cut other drugs with it. And they also, for some of it, it's also getting people hooked onto fentanyl or to other drugs as well. But it's very dangerous. It's very dangerous. And that's why we want people to know.
While police continue to investigate what happened to Tiffany Eiler and 2 other Ohio State students, Osicki says his team will continue to raise awareness here in Northeast Ohio, reaching out in all sorts of ways to help prevent overdoses.
It could just be one time that you take this. It's so dangerous that you could die from an overdose.
In Cleveland, Clay Lepard, News 5.
And Adams offers a 24-hour hotline or text line for its crisis, mental health, and addiction line. It's for anyone in need. So we've put more resources such as how to obtain naloxone on our website. Just look for this story at news5cleveland.com or on our News 5 app. And today, nonprofits, government agencies, and schools are observing the first ever Fentanyl Awareness Day. According to the CDC, 107,000 people died of drug overdoses between November of 2020 and November of 2021. Fentanyl was the primary driver behind those deaths. Dr. Ryan Marino with University Hospital says you need to be aware that drugs bought off the street may not be what you think they are.
A more troubling trend is that fentanyl is showing up in places where people weren't even expecting it before, and people are having overdoses when they wouldn't even have been expected to before.
Dr. Marino says it's important to make drug users aware there are ways to protect themselves, like using fentanyl test strips and making sure they don't use drugs alone in case of an overdose.